Hello everyone, welcome back to the fourth lecture in this Node.js programming tutorial from W3 Grads. In this video, I am going to tell you about the REPL terminal in Node.js. So, let us get started. Node.js comes with virtual environment called REPL, also known as Node Shell. REPL stands for Read, Eval, Print, Loop. Node comes with the REPL environment when it is installed. System interacts with the user through outputs of commands or expressions used. It is useful in writing and debugging the codes. You can understand the work of REPL from its full form. The first task is read. It reads the inputs from users and parses it into JavaScript data structure. It is then stored in the memory. The second task is eval. Here, the parsed JavaScript data structure is evaluated for the results. The third task is print. In this, the result is printed after the evaluation. The last task is loop, which loops the input command. To come out of Node REPL, you can press Ctrl plus C twice. REPL is a quick and easy way to test simple Node.js or JavaScript code. Now, let us proceed further and look at how to get started with REPL terminal. I will go to the search bar and type Node and click on the Node.js app. This will open my REPL terminal. I can now test pretty much any Node.js or JavaScript expression in REPL. For example, if I write 15 plus 30 and press enter. Then, it will display result 45 immediately in new line. Similarly, I can test more expressions. So, I am going to write 10 plus, opening parentheses, and 5 multiplied by 4, then closing parentheses, and minus 12, and press enter. It will display 18 immediately. Now, another way of opening Node.js REPL terminal is through command prompt. So, I will close the existing terminal. Now, again I will go to the search bar and type cmd and press enter. The command prompt window will open. Here, I will type node and press enter. A message will display saying, "Welcome to Node.js v12.18.1. Also, the REPL terminal prompt will be visible. Now, I am simply going to test few more expressions. For example, I am going to concatenate two strings. So, I am going to type, hello in double quotes, plus, space world, also wrapped in double quotes. On pressing enter, it will again display the string hello space world. In the same way, I can also define variables, and perform some operation on them. So, I will write, var x equal to 20, y equal to 30, and put a semicolon at the end. Now, I will press enter. It will move the prompt to next line. Here, you can notice, undefined, displayed. You can ignore that, as it is not an error message. Now, in the next prompt, I am going to write x plus y followed by semicolon, and press enter. This time, I will get the output as 50. If you need to write multi-line JavaScript expression, or function, then just press enter, whenever you want to write something in the next line, as a continuation of your code. The REPL terminal will display 3 dots. It means that, you can continue on next line. Alternatively, you can write, .break, to get out of continuity mode. For example, I am going to write a function to add two numbers. So, I will write, function, add, parentheses, and pass two parameters, a and b inside it. Now, I will press enter. Here, you can see 3 dots in the next line, which means that I can add further code in continuation to my previous code. So, I will type an opening curly brace, and press enter again. The 3 dots will again appear. Now, I am going to write, return a, plus b, followed by semicolon. Then, I will press enter, and add a closing curly brace after the 3 dots. On pressing enter, you can see, undefined, and the REPL prompt. This means that, I can now call my add function. So, I will write, add, followed by an opening parenthesis, and pass 15, and 25, as argument values. Then, I will put a closing parenthesis along with a semicolon. On pressing the enter key, I will get the output as 40. In this way, you can test different types of Node.js, or JavaScript expressions. If you want to exit from the REPL terminal, you can press Ctrl plus C twice, or write .exit, and press enter. So, let's do it. I will press Ctrl plus C twice, and you can see that the REPL terminal exits from command prompt. So, this is all about using the Node.js REPL terminal. I hope you have understood the process well. So, keep learning, and I will see you next time. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video.